ceasefire in Lebanon appears to be holding up, but it is certainly being put to the test. Israel and the Lebanese militant group Hezbollah agreed last week to end nearly 14 months of fighting, and under the deal, they each agreed to withdraw their forces from southern Lebanon within 60 days. But since then, they have repeatedly accused each other of violating the terms of the truce. In the most serious incident, Israel responded to a Hezbollah mortar attack with a series of airstrikes that killed at least 11 people in Lebanon. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is vowing to enforce this truce with what he calls an iron fist, and as defense minister has threatened to expand Israel's targets beyond Hezbollah and begin striking Lebanese governmental targets if the situation continues to worsen. Now, despite this tough rhetoric, both sides say that they remain committed to the deal, and they've been careful to make sure that the situation does not spin completely out of control. But on the ground, things remain tense. In Lebanon, tens of thousands of people remain unable to return to their homes in southern Lebanon because Israeli troops remain positioned in their villages. And on the Israeli side, an estimated 45,000 people who have been displaced by the fighting over the past year still are wary of going home. The vast majority of them say it is still far too dangerous to go back.